Welcome to your channel. If you want to know, we have a tonic recipe for cellulite today in our Natural Beauty Recipes series. It doesn't matter if you are underweight or overweight for cellulite to start appearing in the hip and belly area. You can prevent it with this natural tonic recipe with cellulite, which prevents you from dressing the way you want, perhaps causing you to be offended by your body. The cellulite treatment method that you can apply at home is quite easy. Let's go to our video without wasting time. Materials: 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 ampoules of vitamin E, 2 tablespoons of brewed filter coffee, 2 tablespoons of white tea, green tea, black tea. You can use any of the teas you want. 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of seaweed, 6 glasses of water. Preparation: put all the ingredients except apple cider vinegar and vitamin E in the pot and place on the stove. When the water starts to boil, add apple cider vinegar and vitamin E ampoule, remove from the stove and leave to cool. After straining the mixture, put it in a spray bottle. Massage your body with this tonic every day. You can keep this recipe in the refrigerator for 10 days. Do not forget to comment on the video after using this recipe. See you in the next videos. Thanks for watching. Comment your thoughts about the video. Also click on the screen to watch my other videos. See you in the next video.